Hello students, today we will learn about some of the important breeds of chicken which are used for commercial as well as backyard poultry farming. So before going to our main topic, let's learn about some of the basic definition. First one is breed. We have already learned what is breed in our previous course. So breed is a group of birds that have usually the same general body shape, that are true to type, carriage and characteristic of the name of the breed they carry. For example, Leghorn, Ayer and Asil. For example, we have learned in our livestock course that in case of cattle there are several breeds such as Gir, Kankraj, Dangi, etc. So same is applicable to chickens or poultry also. There are different breeds such as Leghorn, IRR, Asil, Kadaknath, etc. Second one is variety. What is variety? It is a subdivision of breed, distinguished either by plumage color or we can say feather color, feather pattern and comb type. For example, in Leghorn there are white Leghorn, single comb white Leghorn, etc. So in case of we can say livestock or uh, particularly cattle, there is breed called as Gir, but you will not find varieties of the Gir. But here, due to the we can say genetic makeup, you will find different varieties of particular breed. Next one is strain. Closely related inbred flock with definite economic character. The name of the strain is given by their breeder, such as for Venkis, they have developed Venk of 400, etc. So, what is this strain? Strain means, okay, out of this variety, such as white Leghorn, Venki have developed a genetic superior birds which are used for egg as well as for meat production also. So they have given name as Venkop. So it is very similar to our agriculture crops also. In agriculture crop, in one crop you will find different variety, etc. And last one is class. Class, it is used to designate a group of bird developed in certain region or geographical area. So suppose there is Asia is there, England is there, America is there. So whatever the native breeds of chicken are there of that particular region, the name they are classified under one class. For example, the classes are American, Asiatic, Mediterranean and English. Now remember this scientific name of domestic fowl. It is Gallus domesticus. Now just we have learned about the definition of class. So these are the classes in which the chicken breeds of all over the world they are classified. First one, Asiatic. Asiatic class means the native breeds of chicken which are from Asia. They are grouped in this class. So for Asiatic, the breeds are Brahma, Langshan and Cochin. In American group there are Plymouth Rock, Rhode Island Red and Wyandotte. In Mediterranean there are Leghorn, Minorca and Ancona. Mediterranean countries means which are developed around the Mediterranean Sea, such as Italy, then Netherlands, etc. Then English class contain Orpington, Sussex and Cornish. Then there is continental, Oriental, French, South American or Latin American class as well as African. Also the chicken breeds are classified as their utility. It is called as utility classification. Such as for egg purpose the breed is Leghorn. Cornish and Plymouth Rock they are meat purpose breeds. Dual purpose means they are used for both meat as well as for egg production. It includes Rhode Island Red and New Hampshire. Game type breed is Asil. Now what is this game type? Game type means generally they are not used for egg or meat production, but mainly the males of this breed, it is very strong and they are used for fighting purpose. Such in countries such as we can say this UAE, there they are organizing special fighting of these cocks or we can say males of this particular breed. So they are called as game type. Then fancy or exhibition type means they are just raised by people for fancy purpose or exhibition type. They include silky, frizzled and bantams. And desi type means which are originated in our India. It includes Kadaknath, naked neck, and so let's see some of the important characteristics of different classes of chicken breed. First one is American class. So body size will be medium to heavy, eggshell color brown, shank or leg will be clean and yellow. Clean means there will be not any type of feather growth. Skin color will be yellow, except only one breed, it is Jersey Black Giant, in which you will find generally shank will be black in color. Earlobes will be red in all breeds. Comb shape will be either rose or single. Examples are Plymouth Rock, Wyandotte, RIR, Jersey Black Giant, and Newham. Then in Asiatic class, whatever the breeds are there, it will be generally heavier in body size. Eggshell color again will be brown. They are broody with motherly instinct. Broody means the male or adult hen. They will be adult hen, or we can say female adult birds. They will be used for incubation of fertile eggs also. Earlobes are red and shank are, here you will find in only this Asiatic class, the shank will be feathered. It means on the shank or leg of the bird there will be feather growth, and mostly they will be yellowish in color. Skin color, always there will be yellow except only one breed, Langshan. For best example are Brahma. Then English class, the body size is medium to large, eggshell color is brown, earlobe are red, shank are again clean and white, skin color will be white. So till now we have seen in Asiatic and American class the skin color and shank color will be somewhat yellowish, but here in English class you will find they are white in color. Comb shape will be single except Cornish breed, in which you will find P-shaped comb. Best examples are Australorp, Cornish, Dorking, Orpington. Then Mediterranean class. Mediterranean class generally they will be smaller in body size. They are egg type, means meat production will be lower, but they are very good in egg production. Eggshell color is white. So here you can see in three classes which we have already learned, such as Asiatic, American, and English class, the eggshell color will be brownish, but only in Mediterranean class you will find the eggshell color will be white. Also the earlobe also will be the white. Again shank, they will be clean and yellow or slate colored. Skin will be yellow or it may be white also. Best examples are Leghorn, Minorca, Ancona, and Andalusian. Now we will start with our main topic, in which we will learn important features of main four breeds. First one, we will learn about the important chicken breeds of Indian origin. First one is Asil. Also it is called as Indian game. Class is Asiatic. The literal meaning of Asil is real or pure. Asil is well known for its pugnacity, high stamina, majestic gait, and dog fighting qualities. Already we have talked that Asil is the game type breed. It means their body development will be stronger, and mainly they will be used for fighting purpose. The name Asil appears to have given to this indigenous breed because of its inherent qualities of fighting. The remarkable endurance of an Asil even during the most critical stages of fight is probable, yet it prefers death to dishonor. So why this breed is mainly used for fighting? Because whenever two males of this Asil breed are kept in rings for fighting purpose, either they will win or they will die, but they will not left or run away from the ring. So because of this fighting quality, mainly this breed is used for fighting purpose. The Asil therefore known to every game lovers all over the world for specific. Here you can see the male and female of Asil. In every breed you can easily identify which bird is male and which is female by the development of its mainly tail. In male you will find the tail development will be very long, or we can say the tail will be very well developed and it will be longer, while in case of female birds you will find tail will be shorter. Asil produce plenty of well flavored meat but not good layers. Andhra Pradesh is said to be the home of this important breed. The best specimen of this breed, although rare, are encountered with fancier, and the people engage in cockfighting show throughout the country. A seal is larger, inbuilt with noble looking and dignified appearance. A good specimen of an asil cock usually measures 28 inches from back to toe. It means in case of good or we can say adult cock of this asil breed, the total height from back to toe it will be around 28 inches, which is considered as the. Regarding the standard weight, it varies from 4 to 5 kilograms in adult males and 3 to 4 kilograms in adult hens. The standard weight varies 3.5 to 4.5 kilograms for cockerel and 2.5 to 3.5 kilograms for pullet. Regarding the comb, it will be smaller in size and pea-shaped. The wattle are rudimentary and almost imperceptible. The back is short, well curved, the face is long, not covered with any type of feather. The eyes are compact, well set and present bold look. The neck is long, uniformly thick but not fleshy. So here you will find in this breed the wattle are almost absent or rudimentary. The general feathering is close, scanty and almost absent on the breast. It means in the breast region you will generally not find any type of feather growth. The tail is small, the legs are strong, straight and clean and set well apart. The birds as a rule present upright material gait, suggestive of strength and alertness. A seal is larger in build with noble looking and dignified appearance. Most popular variety of these breeds are generally name given on their plumage color, such as Pila, it means golden red plumage, Yakub having black and red plumage, Nuri with white plumage, Kajal with black plumage, etc. Generally best birds of this particular breeds they are found in UP and Rajasthan. Regarding the performance profile of this breed is body weight at 20 weeks it is 1.22 kilograms. Age at sexual maturity is 196 days. Annual egg production 92 in numbers. So you can find the egg production is very low. Egg weight at 40 weeks it is 50 grams. Fertility 66% and hatchability of the fertile eggs is only 63. Now second important indigenous breed is Kadaknath. Again the class is Asiatic. The breed is otherwise known as Kalamasi also. Why it is called as Kalamasi? Because it will have black face. All the feather or plumage also will be black, as well as the meat of this bird also will be slightly blackish color. It is a native breed of Madhya Pradesh. The color of day-old chick is generally bluish to black with irregular dark strips over the. So here you can find both the male and female of the Kadaknath breed. Here you will find that whole plumage color, wattle, comb as well as eyes they will be black in color. Shank also will be black in color, as well as the meat of this particular breed is also black in. The adult plumage varies from silver to gold splends to blue black without any kind of splenging. Splenging means strips. The skin, beak, shank, toes and sole of the feet of males and females are dark grey or black in color. Even the combs, which is single in type, wattles and tongue also show a purplish hue, or we can say dark blue color. The shining blue tinge of the earlobes add to its unique feature. They are mostly found in tribal area of Jhabua and Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh. The peculiarity of this breed is the most of internal organs show characteristic black pigmentation. As I said, not only the plumage but their meat as well as their internal organ also will have somewhat the blackish pigmentation or blackish color, such as trachea, thoracic and abdominal air sac, gonads, elastic artery, nerves, tendons, etc. Varying degree of blackish coloration is also found in skeletal muscle, tendons, nerves, meninges, brain and bone marrow also. Why this blackish color is there? It is because of the melanin pigment or deposition of this melanin pigment, a genetic condition called as fibromelanosis. So due to the pigmentation of this melanin pigment, there will be blackish color all over the body, plumage as well as skin, meat and their internal. Regarding performance profile, adult cock weight 1.5 kg and female 1 kg only. Body weight at 20 weeks it is 920 grams. Age at sexual maturity 180 days. Annual egg production is 105 in numbers, which is considered as medium layers. Egg weight at 40 weeks will be 49 grams, and egg color or egg cell color will be brownish. Fertility is very low, 55%, and the hatchability of the fertile eggs is also very low, 52%. But in some case, why this Kadaknath breed is popular in case of backyard poultry farming? Because of the higher rate of the meat of this bird. Generally, the commercial bird, mainly white leghorn or IRR, the meat price per kilogram will be lower. But in case of Kadaknath, the meat price of the Kadaknath bird, it is 2 to 3 times more as compared to commercial birds. So till now we have learned about two most important indigenous breed, Asil and Kadaknath. Now we will learn two of the most important chicken breeds which are worldwidely used for commercial egg as well as meat production. First we will learn about the breed called as White Leghorn. So White Leghorn class is Mediterranean class, which is originated in Italy. Out of 12 varieties of Leghorn, White Leghorn is highly reputed as large white egg producer. So throughout the world, in 90% layer farms, you will find this breed for egg production. Type of this breed is egg type because of the higher egg production. They are popular as layer because of small body size, less feed and space for maintenance. So again, this is the reason why worldwidely this breed is used for egg production, because they have smaller body size as well as FCR is lower. It means by taking smaller amount of feed, it will produce larger eggs, and at the same time they will require less space for their maintenance, or we can say housing. The comb type of this breed is single and medium. In case of males, the comb is erect with 5 points, while in case of female, the first point is erect, remaining comb. So in this picture you can see, in case of male bird, you will find the comb, there are 5 points which are erected, while in case of female you will find there is only 1 point is erected and rest of the comb is we can say diverted on one side. So this is the basic difference. It is world #1 egg producer. It has small, oval and compact body. It has relatively long neck, prominent breast, etc. Long shank. All variety have yellow beaks, skin, shank, toes. Plumage will be white, dark brown or light brown. Regarding performance profile, cock, adult cock weight 2.4 to 2.7 kilograms. Adult hen weights 1.8 to 2.3 kilograms. Cockerel weight 2.7 to 2.9, while pullets weight 2 to 2.25 kilograms body weight. Annual hen housed egg production, you can see it is very high, 290 to 320 eggs in 1 year. So this bird or this particular breed, it will have higher egg production, while in case of our indigenous breed, they are producing only 90 to 100 eggs in 1 year, while this breed will produce 290 to 320 eggs in 1 year, with also higher egg size, such as average egg weight will be 55 grams. So we have already talked in all other classes such as Asiatic, English and American, the egg shell color will be brown, while only in this Mediterranean class there will be white egg shell. And last breed, important breed, it is Rhode Island Red. The class is American. It is originated mainly Rhode Island in New England after crossing with 3 different breed: Red Malay Game, Java as well as Asiatic Black Red Fowl of Shanghai. It means this is not pure breed, but it is bred, or we can say it is found by breeding of 3 different breeds. No breed has become so popular in short time as the RIR. It is a dual purpose. It means they can be used for both meat as well as egg production. Comb will be single type. It was developed from 3 breeds, as I said, Malay, Java types and the Shanghai red fowl breed, and they were bred on the Rhode Island. So this is the reason they are called as Rhode Island. So in these pictures you can see the male and female of the RIR birds. Now regarding the body size and shape, they have long rectangular body, plumage color, it is rich brownish red, sometimes black color on the lower waves of the primary. Now what is this primary and secondary? We have already learned during the body parts segment, in which we have seen that the feathers grown on the body of the bird, they are classified at particular region, such as the feather in the tail region, they are called as tail feathers. The feathers in the wings, they are called as wing feathers. So in the wing feathers there are two types. One is called as primary and another are called as secondary. So the part of the wing which is joined with the body, at that part the feathers which are grown, they are called as primary feathers, and the feathers which are present at the tip or end part of the wing, they are called as secondary feathers. The upper web of this secondary are particularly black, but sickle and main tail feathers are black. Sickle shape means the sickle, it is an instrument which we are using for agriculture purpose, and the feathers also will be in the sickle shape. Black is flat, the breast is carried well forward, the plumage is rich dark and brownish red in color. Skin and shanks are yellow and the earlobes are red. Several breeders have tried to develop egg-laying strain of this. Performance profile: cock weight around 3.8 kilograms and hen 2.9 kilograms. Annual egg production is 225 to 260 eggs hen housed per bird with brown color. Now in this table we can see the important character of main four chicken breed class. First one, American class, which include Plymouth Rock, Wyandotte, Rhode Island Red, Jersey Black Giant and Hampshire. The type of comb you can see, they are either single or rose comb. Color of earlobe in all breed, it will be red. Color of skin, it is yellow. Color of shank also in all breed yellow, except only Jersey Black Giant, which have black color shank. There is not any type of feather development on the shank, and eggshell color always will be brown. Another one is English class, which include Australorp, Cornish, Dorking, Orpington and Sussex. The type of comb will be either single or P comb. Color of earlobe again, it will be reddish. While here you can find the color of skin. In case of American class it was yellowish, but in English class you will find mainly white color, except only one breed in Cornish, in which you will find the yellowish color skin. Color of shank also, it will be yellowish. There will be not any type of feather growth on the shank, and eggshell color again will. Next is Mediterranean class, which includes Leghorn, Minorca, Ancona and Andalusia. Again the type of comb, it is single or rose comb. Earlobe color, here you will find white. Color of skin, yellowish or maybe white. Color of shank also may be yellow or dark shade black or blue. Again there is not any type of feather development on the shank, but here you can find the main difference, it is eggshell color. In case of American, English and Asiatic class, the eggshell color will be brown, while in case of this particular Mediterranean class, the eggshell color will be white. And last one is Asiatic class, which include Brahma, Cochin and Langshan. The type of comb will be P comb or single comb. Color of earlobe red, color of skin yellow and white, color of shank also yellowish. But the main difference is here, feather on the shank. In all other classes of breeds, you cannot find any type of feather growth on the shank or leg region, but in case of our Asiatic breeds such as Brahma, Cochin and Langshan, you will find there will be feather development on the shank region also, and eggshell color will be. So now let's see some of the pictures of different breed. First one is Asiatic class. This is the picture male and female of Brahmas. So here you can easily see the shank region. The shank region is fully covered with the feathers. So again I am saying, in only Asiatic class you will find the feathers on the shank. This is Cochin breed, male and female of Cochin. Then in American class, this is Plymouth Rock. Here you can see the shanks are clear. It means there is not any type of feather development. These are the male and female of New Hampshire. Then Mediterranean class, these are the male and female of, then male and female birds of Minorca. Then English class, the another breed of English class, it is Australorp. And our Indian class include breed such as Chittagong. So this is another Indian breed, it is Frizzle. Why it is called as Frizzle? Because you can see their feathers. Their feathers are disorganized or they are erected. So this is the reason why they are called as the Frizzle. Another important Indian breed is Naked Neck. Why it is called as Naked Neck? Because you can see there are not any type of feather growth on their neck. So it is called as the Naked Neck. So in this slide I have given some of the questions related to this topic for your self-evaluation. So all of you have to write down this question and submit as an assignment within 2 days. And if you find any difficulty or query in this particular topic, you can ask at any type, either from mail or WhatsApp. So thank you students.